No, we're not stopping. I'm just looking at this beautiful wetland. Wow, this is such a beautiful wetland here. I wasn't aware that Semomkong has such a beautiful wetland. Just pretty as... Huh? Very beautiful ocean. Up on this wetland. Never really recognized it. So the bag is still good?
Yes, that's good.
Let's get going. Oh man, such a beautiful. I actually feel like I can just take a snap of a photo without doing much. Maybe there's no need for you to. Just wanna snap a photo of this. 1 minute. Use my phone. Even a small video. Oh, look at that. En route Semomkong. This is what you see. You can see how beautifully the sun actually reflects on this beautiful cream clouds, and then those black fields. It kind of makes such an interesting contrast, and that yellowish thing. Oh, this place is massive. Come to LESOTHO, guys. Come see these beautiful spaces or places. Anytime you are welcome. You can see a village over there in the distance. Such a very nice, beautiful village tucked into the hills of the Malut Mountains of the Kingdom of LESOTHO. Okay, let's continue. We are 10 kilometers now from Semomkong, place of smoke. Then I think we'll be halfway to Kashasnak by the time we get to Semomkong. So what are we gonna do when we get to Semomkong is we're gonna refill It actually looks still because there's a weir down there, down the stream. So the river is still moving, but then it looks like it's actually still because of that. Maybe it's one more shot. The people of Semomkong will get to enjoy this every day, not us. There's such a beautiful chilled wind coming from the side. Feels really good to be here. Makes me feel alive. Viewers, I'm continue. Viewers, I'm continue. station. This is the city of Semomkong, guys. It's a very big city, this one. Eh? Very big city, this one. Just to be safe, to get to catch a snack in town. Again, I am afraid. Hey, I'm so to you. I saw to fit on the house. Oh, yeah, when I'm with you, I'm not eating. Daddy, all the time. I get it here. Bimba, hala le bunda. Ebanya, give us spend this. Oh sure. How are you 95? 95, 93. Oh, 93. Poka mga baigi bondat. Mga baigi. Oh, you know, Shupo. Ah, mga kakakatasit sa tangkay na sinti. Hangit si binayari. Tang wala ba kayo na mo. Bahay ko salat kan nito. Oh, berada ko hagit si mo na.
About sleep.
Halo khulule sa itlati. Chakela se. Oh, motho o lo ka nga shopong banna ka ba ikentle ha ka le ka. Oh, get out here. There's a Cape Town person. Beautiful bike. GS 1200. CA is a Cape Town number plate. Beautiful, beautiful. Navigator. Apparently he went into the shop to refill. Awesome. I wonder where he's coming from and where he's going. Oh, there he is. Let's find out who he is. Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Where you come from?
I'm coming from Maseru.
From Maseru?
Yes.
I'm going to Maseru.
You're going to Maseru?
Yeah, I'm going to Roma.
Oh, where are you coming
Where
from?
my keys are, yeah?
Yeah, probably.
I come from Kwacha's Neck.
Kacha Snake. Slavatep.
I went Kwacha's Neck, and then to Semomkong.
Yes.
And I stayed there last night.
Oh,
And
Small
now I'm
Lodge.
going up to Roma.
Oh, nice. Roman Trading Post.
I'm going to the Korma Caves.
Oh, Kwame Caves?
Yeah.
Oh, that's on the other side.
The other side, yeah.
Yeah.
I just know Roma.
Yes.
I can't say the other names.
Are you camping there?
Yeah, we can camp, yeah.
Oh, nice. Are you traveling by yourself?
Now I got my wife here as well.
Oh, nice.
My wife is here. I can't go alone. I'm my man.
Ah, I know. I
Can't
mean,
eat meat for
I
1 week.
understand. You know what I mean. Yeah, it must be a very nice
And
trip
you,
for
where you
sure.
going?
Are we going to Slavatep National Park?
Okay, just holiday.
Yeah, just two nights
Just run by
camping.
yourself.
Yeah, no, I'm with the friend of mine.
Oh, is this 800?
Yeah, this is 800.
Nice.
Yeah. So we trying to do small camping there, enjoy a little bit and come back. Where are you guys coming from? Cape Town?
Cape Town, yeah.
I see it's a Cape Town number plate.
We doing the whole of Lesotho.
Oh.
And then we go to the Katsi.
Yes.
And then Katsi, we're gonna go down, I go up to Mogotlo. And then down Sani Pass.
You didn't do the Slavatebe National Park?
Which one is that? That's up top, eh?
No, on the other side of Kacha. The national park.
No, I'm coming there still.
You're coming? Oh,
Yeah, I'm going to go to Roma and go all the way around.
To Mashai and then to...
Hello, Nari.
Hey, how are you, my friend?
Good, and how are you?
Good to meet another motorbike,
Very
man.
good, very good.
Good to meet another motorbike.
Oh, no, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
So what's your name, sir?
I'm Steve.
Daniel.
Normally
Daniel.
we are so hesitant to ask each other names.
Yeah.
You are?
Namani.
Namani. No money.
Namani.
Nah, man.
Oh, Namani.
Like, you know, like a baby cow?
Yeah, I know,
Cow.
like a baby cow.
Yeah.
I will just remember no money.
No, no. For remembrance. Yes. No money. Here, Twa.
Yeah, so you from Lesotho as well?
Yeah, we're staying in Lesotho, but in Maseru.
Yeah, but you are Lesotho. You're from
Lesotho, yeah. It's a very beautiful country.
South Africa. And your petrol is cheap.